Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you the best settings for your AOC Q27G monitor. So, of course, the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that you are using the best display port or DVI port that you can go ahead and plug onto your monitor and onto your computer. And right after, let's head over to the OSD controls of our monitor. So you can do this by clicking the joystick right beside the monitor itself, and it will open up this window right here. Right after, let's then apply the following setting. Basically, of course, you could set your refresh rate on your Windows. Ideally, you want this at 180 Hz. For the adaptive sync inside your OSD, which is the on-screen setting, you want to turn this to on. The overdrive is medium. Low input lag is on. Color mode as RGB, which will actually provide the most accurate colors. For brightness, it can depend on your personal preference, but you want to generally use between 50 and 70 to reduce eye strains during longer gaming sessions. For contrast, 50, gamma at 1 or 2.2. The monitor has excellent HDR brightness and strong contrast thanks to its mini LED backlight. And for the FPS tweaks, basically if you're mostly gaming for first-person shooters, you want to turn on the black equalizer or shadow control at 10 to 15, HDR at off. The refresh rate is going to be somewhere between 165 if you notice VVR, scan lines, flicker, ghosting, and many more. And ideally, you want to turn off the following setting, which is the smart overprocessing, the excess sharpness, and the local dimming in SDR if brightness fluctuates too much. And so those are the best gaming settings for your AOC monitor. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.